The water cycle. The water cycle is one of the vital cycles of the Earth system, that is the sequence of processes of water between the atmosphere and the Earth's crust, through surface water, groundwater and organisms. What is the water cycle? It all gets recycled and reused in a process that we call the water cycle. The water cycle is a way that water moves all around the Earth. It never stops and doesn't really have a beginning or an end. It's like a big circle. The water cycle happens to be a simple cycle, yet involves a lot of processes. Some of the processes that are involved are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, transpiration and infiltration. Evaporation. Heat from the sun provides the energy for water to change from a liquid, like we drink, into a vapor. There is almost always water vapor in the air around us, but we can't see it. On a hot, sunny day, water will evaporate faster than on a cold, cloudy day. Condensation. When water vapor cools, it condenses back into tiny droplets of liquid water. These droplets are small enough to float in the air and eventually collect together to make a cloud. Clouds can be blown by the wind to move water to different parts of the Earth. Condensation is the opposite of evaporation. Precipitation. As more and more water droplets form, they will join together to form bigger water drops in the clouds. These drops become too heavy to stay in the air and will fall to Earth as rain. If it is very cold, the water might freeze and fall as hail or snow. Any water that falls from the sky, rain, hail or snow, is called precipitation. The teacher tells the students that the main precipitation are rain, snow, sleet and hail. Runoff. Some precipitation will soak into the ground or be taken up by plants, but the rest will run off into streams, rivers, lakes and make its way to the ocean. And the process restart. Transpiration. Plants absorb water from the soil and transport it to the leaves via the stem. When this water evaporates from the leaves and stem, it is termed as transpiration. Infiltration. When the water on the surface of the Earth seeps down the ground, it is called infiltration. It later forms aquifers in low-lying regions. A cycle, from water vapor in the air to precipitation as rain, takes about 9 days to complete. The water cycle happens to be a simple cycle, yet involves a lot of processes.